Chur Whanau. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Aya. Hello everyone. Holy hell. Three months. Oh, did you sub, brother? Sorry. Papa Broxh is back. Yeah, Jim, bro. Shit. Gee, sorry if I missed everyone's subs. I was just trying to get ready. Thank you. This is my first stream. I'm excited. Oh, welcome, brother. Welcome. Did you? Oh, is Joshua here already? Eh, sorry, Joshua. Bro, thank you for the gifted subs, brother. You didn't have to. Sorry I missed that, brother. Took too bloody long getting ready. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, clean the head. This looks pretty ready to go, the arms. Hey, Charizard, best 4 months of my life. Oh, I don't know about that one, brother, but cheer, my bro, hope you're well. The PM video is nearly at 1 mil. Oh, fucking hell, brother, true. I haven't even checked. I pretty much haven't been on Twitter since I watched the new WoW thing. Okay, I might move it back so I'm in the shade a bit just for the phone. I can't even see the bloody comment. Cheers, bruh. Kia ora, bro. There we go. Oh, and it's still not in the bloody shade. Just give me the chat holder. I'll chuck it over here. Boom, we're in the shade. What if I turn it that way? I saw someone just sub to. Poupou, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You know it's all good just to watch it for free. Sweet ass, brother. We'll see how we go like this for today. For now. Sorry, Joshua. Hey, Fanta. PSE, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I'm just gonna try this view for now. If it's bad, I'll change it soonish. About 59 ninjas, thank you very much for the sub as well. Blue skies, barely, bro. Cheers, brother. Elastic. Why is your foam holder styrofoam? Why not? Reaper TM, thank you very much for the sub. So I had no way of holding my phone on the voice, so I just made my own phone holder. Wait, was Joshua an explosion? Oh, there's a random kid. Wait, a photo bomb, bro? Get out of here. Did you get a new camera? No, it's the same one from Twitch NZ. So what we're going to do is just drop these down today. Try and prime it up for drawing. Is that your cat? Nah, it's just a stray. We don't have any cats. Thank you, Haunter. Much love to you too, brother. Yeah, there's like 2 strays that like chill. They got the good life though, so they jump from house to house eating like scraps. Chur, you're crazy. Confirmed Disney King on stream. Oh no, no King brother. Was an explosion less than a mile away from he lives in Jordan. Choo! That cat wanted some Twitch subs. No, he was looking at me like, what, eh? What you gonna do? I was like, oh. Nice tipo. What's a tipo? What's that, fella? How you doing today, Broxh? Weather seems nice today. Cheers, JT. It's all good. Windy, as usual. No matter what the condition of the weather is. Always good to get a stream in. So I might be going to Paradise Valley tomorrow. Go and check out some lions. And I'm going to stream it. I just asked if I was allowed to stream their feeding time there because I was a bit iffy about it with the gore and all that. Sure, Kamaniac, thank you for the sub, brother. Tiki. Oh, no, this is a Poupou, brother. Kia ora de Butha. Chew, brother. Water lions. What do you do with your carving products? Sell them. Yeah, sell them. The mask I did on stream, I got rid of that this week. It was pretty good. Get rid of these 2 big carvings too. Self Machine and Chur Ferguson. Bro, I was trying to renew my sub and it wouldn't go through. Come on Twitch and see you gifted me. I really appreciate it. Yeah, that'd be an order. True, brother. The little sticks. Cheer for the sub, brother. Yeah, I haven't been on Twitter all day, other than posting the mod video. This music is fitting. Hope you're having a good day, love from Amsterdam. Cheer, brother. Thank you for that. Yeah, let's clean this dude up today. I want to try get onto maybe drawing this side anyway. If not, then it's alright. So we got to straighten up the bottom because it's a bit of an angle cut going on here. No, I didn't get a gift. Oh, you don't need one, you can just watch. Don't ask for subs if you're about to, man. I heard this guy was really nice. Oh, I'm average. Who's that? Chocobo Chip. Chew, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to. Hey, Sergeant Suicider, how are you, brother? Taters as well with the sub. Thank you guys. You didn't have to though. I installed Twitch because of this guy. Hey, welcome, Ek. Pretty much part of the whānau, brother. Welcome. So depending on Sunday as well, we might get a bit of a sharpening stream in. I need to give my tools a bit of a hit. Hey brother, how are you today? What kind of chisels do you use? Swiss made ones, brother. Swiss chisels. Hey, Chur Phoenix. Love the interview with the people. Chur Taters. Yeah, it wasn't really an interview, it's just talking really. It's like she was interviewing me. Just having a good old conversation. Hello from Peru. Hey, Chur, brother. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Joe. Big, massive spoon. Hey, brother. Thank you for the sub, bro. You didn't have to though. It's all good just to watch. Ghost Malone, cheer brother, why can't I be an egg? Ah, because I don't like trolls in the chat. If you want to be one, then you get yourself a well-deserved ban. The choice is yours. Ooh, yeah, this needs a hit. Hold up. Broxh is love. Yeah. No bother, mate. Coming along nicely. Cheers. Cheers, Spoon. What gets banned here? Just like normal stuff you do on Twitch, eh? Trolling, being an egg, repetitive questions, all that kind of stuff. Oh, what are you up to? Patties on a grill, on a motherfucking grill. Sure, brother. For the sub, didn't have to, my bro. Yeah, and Otto gifting a sub. You know you didn't have to, bro. I think the auntie vid will get for the end of the stream, mate. Oh, true. Oh, thank you guys for watching it. As long as you like it, eh? That's the main one for me. We announced the Maori language creators on Twitter now. Oh, true. Too much. Blue, thank you very much for the sub as well. And geez, it's hard to read blue names. Shark Slayer, hey. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to there. Sorry I've had with the PM. Yeah, brother. Yeah. It was pretty cool just talking to you, eh? Really chill person. Hey, mahalo. Cheers, bro. How are you, piano? Okay, 1200. Cheer, Uncle Wordwix. You soak your stone? Yeah, just for water. Kia ora from Tūwharetoi, a reason I joined Twitch. Kia ora. Tēnā koe. Hawk Slayer, thank you for gifting a sub, brother. You didn't have to, eh? Like, you can hold on to your brother's money. Happy Tongan Language Week, brother. Hey! Tū toko. I wanna know how to pay it forward. What do you mean, brother? Come and watch. Yeah, this should be all good. Oh, my second paper. Oh, sorry, bro. I don't know what you're saying. I can't speak Spanish. Sorry. And Hawk Slayer as well. Cheers for gifting, brother. You don't have to be. Oh, much better. Cheer, brother Broxh. Cheer, awa. Hey, haven't seen you in a while, brother. How you been? Or have you just been in here and I missed your bloody comments? That sounds more realistic. me missing comments. Whetstone or sandpaper? Both. I use both. Just a 1200 grit. Cheer, Joshua, you all good, bro? Are you safe? Risk A6, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Five seconds slow mode. Nah, I can't read comments that fast. This is nice and good for me. I mean, it's not hard to wait. Sunshine reggae, please. Sunshine DMCA, you mean? No, you can sharpen with oil, but water's free, eh? I'd rather use the free one and save the linseed. What if I donate 100 subs? There's no need to. Just come and watch. Donate 100 minutes of your time. Just watching. When you want to, of course. What do you use? Just started following today. Chisels, adzes, planers, yeah, whetstones to sharpen chisels, wood, mainly native timber, brother. It's the most preferred. Hey, Chur Thunder. Oh, what's some cool game music that won't get me DMCA? How long does it usually take to finish? Oh, it all depends how much time you put into it, eh? Like, each carving is a different time, no matter how big or small it is. I could have finished this a long time ago, but, you know, most of the carving I do with streamers or on other stuff. What is your favourite character on Avatar? Probably Uncle Iroh or Appa. And like, in 2021, my mom giving me a lot of money, so I'll donate. No, you won't. Don't do that, that's silly. Why would your mum give you that much money? Uncle Iroh. Yeah, brother. First time I hear amazing. Oh, welcome. Welcome to the whānau. I'm alright. Cleanups. Did you like watching The Legend of Korra? It was all good. I wouldn't say it was as good as the first series. Lefty Sloth, thank you very much for the sub as well. Hey, sure, Kobe, but you didn't have to sub. It's all good just to watch. How are you so good at everything, master? I'm not a master, brother. I'm not even that good. Can only be better. Keep getting better and better. Yeah, I heard they're making a live action series. I saw you decided to join. Oh, welcome, Sniper Bob. Been a rough week, but I managed to finally catch your stream. Oh, welcome, Phantom Felix. Just come and join in, brother. Come and chill. If it helps, brother. Just come and chill with us, bro. All good. That's what the stream's for. Aaron, Aaron. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good. Josh, are you alright, bro? Do you sketch your pieces before you carve them? Yeah, pretty much on a piece of paper. What's this? Oh, hey, man. You coming inside? Oh, my mum. My mum's here. Hold on, guys. Hey, mum.
Oh, hi.
Door's open.
Yeah.
You went to bake? Ooh, can I have a look at the dangerous things you got?
We can bake.
Streaming. No, come. They can't see you. You want to say hello? Yeah, can I have a look at the camera? Yeah, come. Can you save me one? Oh. Good. Oh, good to hear, Joshua. And I saw what you did. Just going back, making sure I didn't miss anything. Hey, Proximity. Kando, thank you for the sub, brother. TH as well. And then Joshua, gifting 5 subs. Bloody hell, no, he is. And 19 Jacob, 19 and Tim Burgle. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to, like straight up. You literally did not have to. I don't have any catchy slogans, so all I can say is you don't have to. My mum bought donuts and I'm on a diet. Feels bad, man. But I may still eat one anyway. Yeah, she bought donuts, bro. That is my... What do you say? What the hell is Superman weak against? That's my kryptonite. Yeah, there it is. That's my kryptonite whānau. Donuts. I love your boots. Yeah, thank you. They are red bands. You only live once. Your crooks have no idea what you mean, brother. Sorry. Xenon 9, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Did you teach Lucinda how to carve the face? Yeah, she had a carve. She was quite good. Steady hand. Very steady hand, which is cool. I mean, I can put that on my things of what I've done in life. Taught auntie how to have a carve. Shark Slayer. Oscar the Shark Slayer. And Desiree, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we'll kind of try and get this dude cleaned up, and then we'll carry on before we start drawing. Okay. Do you finish these with anything? Yeah, like stains. I want to get some more, so I got a variety. But yeah, you can paint them. Hey. Okay, chat. BRB, I'm getting a donut. Fuck. Yep, please. Alays dear AU, thank you for the sub as well. You didn't have to. Sweating on the donut. Cheers, Swifty. Cheers, brother. Stairmaster tonight, boys. Don't forget you have the milk. Hey, milk. Cornelian Finwinkle, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I hope it's not glazed, eh? Oh, I don't like glazed, eh? Oh, hell, Broxh the goat. Nah, I'm no goat, brother. Chur Crother, how are you, brother? Sorry, bro, that's just my answer for when people call me a goat. Just trying to do goat sounds. Pause, please. Gifted a sub to Crother. Hey, thank you, brother. You didn't have to. My baby's like me too. She absolutely loves donuts. Let me show the chat. Okay, chat. Salted caramel, Malteser. Which one are we eating first? Use decide. I'll just eat away from the carving. Oofa, you reckon? Ban bro. Caramel, Malteser. No, I'm gonna eat one, not both of them. Okay, we got caramel. Far out. Okay, taste. That's our main consistency. See you later, our diet start again. ASMR eating stream. Let me just wash it down. Oh, water through the beard is a good feeling. Okay, that was pretty nice. That was good. Mean. Anyway, back to work. We'll eat the other one later. Brother Otter, no, I don't have a PO box, brother. I don't want people to send stuff to me because they use money. That man thirst. That's just the normal drink. This boy can drink. Yeah. You should totally have a food review stream with your brother. With brother Fox, Chur Bros. A food review stream. So before you thank you, Mr. Death. Oh. Much love, mate. Thank you. Broxh is a weeb. Yeah, I'm a weeb. Oh, I don't watch that much anime anyway. But if that counts, then yep. Donut mukbang. Oh, now I feel like crap after that. I'm retired, I have decent chunk of change I want to donate to you. No, you're retired, you save your money for you, and you enjoy retirement. Do you watch League of Legends? Yeah, I was watching LCK finals. Didn't go too good for SKT. Unlucky. Not this year anyway. I feel like everyone's caught on to their playstyle. And they have to adapt. I see Koma left his team too. He stepped down. You're on Otaku, brother. What's that, bro? Sounds like a food market. Oh, that's that site thingy, eh? I think I just got told about that. For the Horde, you know it, brother. Have you ever done a carving with that wasn't traditional, like a game character? Nah. I stay in my own culture when it comes to carving. Someone suggested trying to do like the troll carvings of WoW. I mean, they look pretty simple to do. But other than that, no, I haven't. Pardon me. Thank you, Snubblebutt, for the sub. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Yeah. Just making sure my levels are the same. Hey man, just a question. Do you paint anything or draw anything? You seem like the guy who has that skill for it. I'm not good at painting, brother. I have the painting skills of a 5-year-old, but I'm open to learning. If you could block the sub button, would you? Hard. Definitely. Moon 2 Dank and Grain Assault. Thank you guys for subbing. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Do you use wood stains on the carvings? Yeah, brother, of course. Sorry if that's loud, find it. If the Kodakai is still on today, we'll host her today. Faker did not become less good, more catching. Yeah. Still he's still my favourite though. Faker. Do you end up selling these? Yeah, pretty much someone's already interested in this. So I'll put it on the 5 commission spots I have that are full. Escape to Tarkov. Oh, ever play Tarkov? No, I don't, brother. No kapahaka for music today. Ah, yeah. At the moment I'm just playing whatever. What was your favorite game as a kid? Damn, no, this is taking me back. Well, the games I used to play as a kid was obviously Crash Bandicoot. So many hours put into that game as a kid. Crash Bandicoot, Sonic on the Mega Drive, and it was a Sega. Alex the Kid, that was another one. I'll put it in the shade, eh? Warzone? Nah, I don't play Warzone. I only watch people play Warzone. Any tips on unify paintings while the others working? Kate Tapai. Instagram would be your best bet. Like, yeah, those ones up at Te Puya only sell carvings and raranga. Well, that's all pretty much still the same thing since I was up there. Richard and Clink, yeah, there was another one, but I'm just saying when like I was young as. Like way before Richard and Clink. I played a game called Taifu. If anyone's ever played that, surely there's some people that know Taifu. Evening, Woodward. Aside from wood carving, what other art forms fascinate you the most? Much respect, fella. Jeez. Whew. Probably stone and bone. Outside of my culture, digital art's pretty cool, but I suck at it, so yeah. Conker's bad food. That's the little squirrel thingy, eh? And you fight those bears. Did you ever get into Red Dead Redemption? Oh, mate. This is one of my favourite games, brother. One of my all-time favourite games, brother. GoldenEye, yeah, that's another oldie too. Would you ever learn to carve stone? Oh, I know how to, but my heart's here in this art form. Was it like studying? How long were you in that school? Yeah, so it's a 3-year course or apprenticeship. Some of the best carvers at the school, but I was carving way before that school as well, back in primary. But there's some requirements you need to be in that school. NZ Maki, you have to be of Maori descent. An art portfolio. You need to bring in your genealogy that ties you to a Maori ancestor. And yeah, hope you impress in your interview. If not, try again. It took me 2 times to get into that school. Well, if you want to get good at art, some of the things that you're having trouble on, still think I'm not that good. Oh, I mean, yeah, I'll never think I'm that good. I think that's what drives me the most, is keep getting better. Once you do an absolutely stunning piece, you go, it's alright, you can do better. Move on from doing one good piece to an even better one. At what age did you discover the art of carving? At 12 years old, brother. It's pretty late here. Must be bedtime. What's this piece called? Poupou. What is the character holding? Nothing. It's a stomach. Wait, the Maori Pacific Island is originally from Peru. No scientific term here, but no, not for us. I I like the phone holder. Made it myself. Byron from Albany. Cheers, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to. You should sell on Estate? Nah, only place I'll sell them is through myself, bro. Joanne, I already answered your question. 12 years old. I did much love from everyone from Portugal. Hey, brother. Ty Joe. Cheer for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch. But much appreciated, brother. Keep up the good work, brother. Thank you, Games. Cheer, brother. You ever played GTA 5? Nah. How far are you from Whakairo? Oh, pretty far. Katan, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. Much appreciated though, my man. How many different pieces do you work on at a time? Sometimes 3. But at the moment it's just this one. Something small like a cup. Oh, it all depends, like on yourself. Like, what do you want to carve? What time is it there? It's 1:22 PM. Like pop culture? Nah, I don't do that. Okay, let's try and clean this bugger up. Are you allowed to sell these pieces you make? Yeah, they're mine, so yeah. I don't name them after ancestors, so they don't, it's alright to like sell them. If they're named after an ancestor, I wouldn't sell it to anyone. Shadow Hunters, yeah, you probably can. I was just talking about the carving school that I went to. It only teaches people of Maori descent. It's one of the most renowned carving schools in the world. Well, it is, I should say. But there's like wānangas here, wānanga o Aotearoa, that are open to helping. Do you know Micah, the famous fire knife guy? No, I don't know anyone that plays with fire knives. Okay. What was it? Yeah. I've got a bit of interview with a good friend of oh bro, the Leviathan. I've already answered your question. Pretty far, bro. Pretty far. Oh shit! No salt needed. Oh brother, what are you doing? Bro, you didn't have to sub, brother, or gift subs. Holy cow. Thank you, brother. That's 5 too many though. Holy cow. How much time do you usually take to finish a Whakairo session? Oh, I don't know. I just carve till I get hungry. But don't have carving in my one. Yeah, it seems like they've taken carving out. Oh, straight up Fanta. Holy shit. Oh my. Have you ever seen a movie called Utu? Yeah, that's all it is. Te Wheke. Can I call you Korg? Yeah. Hi, my name's Korg. This pile of rocks waving at you. You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. You carved the taiaha. Yeah, I did one on stream. That's gone now. Kind of wood to use are usually native timber, brother, from Aotearoa, New Zealand. So yeah, I usually call New Zealand by its original name first, if anyone's wondering. Afternoon from Dunners. Favourite kai? Bro, anything that gets me full, brother. John VH, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, bro. Just remember, you don't have to favourite matatini kapa. I'll go with my whānau te mātārai iorihu. I'm a bean. Okay. Hey, Millsy! Chur, brother! Thanks for the sub, brother. Bro, you didn't have to sub at all, brother. Cheer, my bro. Now, to anyone that may be into World of Warcraft, there's a World of Warcraft streamer right there. Millsy TV. Stationed in Australia, eh, brother? Bro, you didn't have to sub, bro, straight up. And Kika the Piker. Thank you very much for the sub as well. And Benny Boom, you didn't have to, you can watch for free, it's all good. Post a check for Marta. Hold on, fam. Random, I hear singing on the wind. That was random. Stay now, wash the chicken. Realign the back. How you been, Millsy? What you manning in Shadowlands, brother? Have you ever made Whakairo but it's Japanese demon or something? Japanese demon. Oh, I don't know what you mean, brother. Sorry. Yeah. You mean Japanese carving? Is that what you mean? You mean Red Paladin? Oh, another Red Paladin, eh? We got another one, boys. Nah, I've been, you know, man, just trying to stay sane during lockdown. Nah, fair enough, brother. Boomkin at the moment, although we'll be playing all ranged. True, brother. I think the only ranged I've ever played is a hunter, eh? I haven't tried priest, mage, lock, or druid ranged as well, like since I started back in BC. I'm tempted to try a mage though, tempted, not fully though. So yeah, Chad, if you don't know, I named my paladin after Panda when he dyed his hair magenta. They're calling him Magenta Man, so I named my paladin after him because he's a red pally main. Is whānau, brother. Whānau means family, brother, in our language. That's how I see you guys. Do you conditioner for your beard or wax? Is it full man beard? Oh no, just wash it with water. I'm trying to find like a good beard balm so it ends up like young Khan's one. Hi Broxh, I'm in online school right now. Glad I can watch you during my break. Oh, it's good to see, Hallery. You're watching in your break, not during your studies. I can appreciate that. Thank you for the bits though. You didn't have to. You could have told me you were on your break with no bits. All good though. Thank you, brother. Yoshi needs food. Thank you very much for the bits as well. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch. Young Khan, the emo guy. Yeah, Young Khan, the emo guy. Hang on, sir. How's well now? I used to game back in BC and quit after Lich King. Oh yeah, a lot's changed I would say. Met Khan a while back at a convention. Great guy for sure. Oh nice brother. Hey Silver. Just got out of work. Is Connor here? Oh, I don't think so. He hasn't been in a while. He might be busy too. Thank goodness for that. Yeah, so the WH in our language is pronounced like an F by our reo consultant Otter, all the way from the UK. Okay. Worth getting back into? I wouldn't have a clue, but for me personally, it's a game I always have fun on. Let me just get this bit here. Sorry if that's loud. Do you play any FPS games? Nah, not really. Oh, that's a new one. Yeah, hey, Chur glove slip. How are you, bro? DC or Marvel? Probably Marvel, brother. Just dropping the levels in between his arm. But I mean, I'm a fan of Jason Momoa's Aquaman. You ever played Path of Exile? A little bit. I didn't know what I was doing, so I kind of stopped. Seems like it's a really popular game now. Especially Quinn, he's getting back into it again. In the Nutfest Museum, I don't know, man. We'll see. I'm just taking it step by step. just dancing all alone, watching people get it on with each other. No more night for me. Sending good vibes. Hey, much appreciated, brother. Oh. What is the hammer called? It's a mallet. He looks better than Jason Momoa, or hardly. Have a good day, friend. Cheer, Yoshi. You have a good day too, brother. Ganept, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to come and watch for free, but can I touch your hair? Oh, if you wanna fight on your hands. Check. Okay, hold on, brother. Okay. Slowly draw up the easy bits too. What's all coming together. Is it cold there? Yeah, cold one. Very cold wind. Cheers for the pasta chick, brother. What's that bottle of grog? Water. Tie-dye dream, thank you for the sub, much appreciated. Didn't have to though. It's all good watching for free. Oh, come on. Gun ipped. Cheer, brother. Much appreciated for the sub, man. Really didn't have to. The subs, I should say. Really didn't have to though. But thank you, brother. Get this flat funny. Sorry if I'm missing comments. If they're repetitive ones too, careful. Okay. Just using our scoop. So this is it here, and this needs a bloody sharpen again. Bloody hell. Oh, come on, bro. That's enough. Gun Holy hell, bro. Bro, that's enough, please, brother. Much appreciated for the gifteds, brother, but you really don't have to, bro. Wait, is people getting ads? I don't know. I get a bonus tomorrow, having fun, and you're awesome. Oh, gunnipped. Okay, I might not stream tomorrow if you're getting a bonus. Oh, come on, bros. Gunnipped again and Snubblebutt. Alright, this is what I'm gonna say. That's enough, please. Don't start any sub wars. That's a Fortnite thing. I don't play Fortnite, alright? Well, I do, but not on stream, you know. That's enough, please, Whānau. Hey, did you ever play Destiny? Yeah, I play with the Iznix. No sub wars, please, Whānau. There we go. That's the depth we need. 1, 2. We have to drop that one. But for now, we carry on. We're just gonna try focus on one side. Might need my ruler for this. 1 minute. Okay, found it. So we are gonna need to... You thought I wouldn't see it, eh? You really thought I wouldn't see it, eh? Gunnipped? No, please don't do that. You just don't need to try and fight for... See who's the biggest gifter. Gunnipped, thank you very much, and I see you as well, Warborn and Freight Train. Thank you guys for subbing. You can just chill out, eh? But don't think I won't see it. Oh, frick's sake. Gunnipped, eh? Well, we all know who God know is. A chew, you reckon? A chew, you reckon? Cheer, Gunnip, bro. Didn't have to, brother. Time can steam. Laugh my ass off. Oh, laugh your ass off, man. Then you'll be a flat ass. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, jeez. Chur Whanau. Wow. This dude must earn like all in all. Bro, thank you, bro. Bro, that's a lot, eh? Cool. Mummy Broxh a new handbag. Alright, I'm done. Thank goodness for that. Thank you though, Bar. You really didn't have to though. Straight up. Alright. Legs are the same size. I do what I do. Back forward. Cheers, Bar. Okay. Can I Siobhan's doing us for a gift for a sub. You're probably gonna get timed out now. Read that all. Want to know something from me? Good things come to those that don't ask. Maybe. Stormlock or Imperial? Stormcloak or Imperial? Ah, probably the Stormcloaks, brother. Okay, if anyone's played Skyrim in the chat and you killed Parthenex, you have no soul. If you cannot argue it, your argument is irrelevant. Taco, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though, it's all good just to watch for free, eh? Well, much appreciated, brother. Yeah, if you killed Parthenex, you have no soul. Oh, I'm playing Skyrim right now. Nice, brother. Who could do such a thing? He's a real one. Do you watch anime? Yeah, brother. I can't be responsible for my teenage decisions. Well, guess what, brother? Here, you can be. So you did it. You killed me. Sure, Jay, we're ready for the bits. You didn't have to. You can just watch or comment without anything. Oh, words, but you know. Broxh for Prime Minister? No, thank you. Regrets? Thank you for the sub. Great stuff. Thank you, brother. When does the new Skyrim come out? I wouldn't have a clue. I don't even think it's in Skyrim this time. Elder Scrolls, eh? I was looking away too. Lucky I saw everyone's reactions. They gave it away. 10! What the hell, bro? Alright, I'm done. You lie! You lie! I forgot I need to win. Oh. You need to win. Go to sleep, I command you. Oh, come on, bro. Bloody cow. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But you didn't have to. You don't need a win, bro. You don't need a win. Straight up. You can just watch. Bring it over to Jack. Oh, don't encourage. Bloody hell. Thank you, bro. Really appreciate it, but yeah, that's enough, brother. Have you ever gotten hurt because of wood carving? No, not at all. What a lead. Yeah, brother. 55, that's a lot, man. Jamerex, thank you for the sub as well. He didn't have to, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Can I get a job with you? I think you're the first person to ask that. There we go. Oh, we got a hydrate from Fishy. Fishy, have you got it too? Hydrator! Oh, come on, bro. Fuck's sake. You won. You got the number one. You don't have to prove anything, bro. Oh, yeah. Whew. Cheers for the hydrate, my man. Even numbers are nice. Even numbers are nice. This guy. DX out, don't encourage. ASF Dylan, thank you for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. I'll take a shot to that. I don't drink, but go hard, brother. I feel like my line's way off, eh? Hold on, just looking at my line. Oh, it might be good. You drink water? Yes, I do. Okay. He's gifting and drinking, not a good combo. Go. Jayan V, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to. You can just come and chill and watch. They're much appreciated. You for a bit and respect what you do. Oh, true, brother. Thank you, man. Oh, crap. Can make these legs a bit more round. Here we go. Just kind of seeing you randomly. Oh, true. Oh, I'm just glad you like it. That's probably my main thing for me. Any hope for Mandalorian Season 2? Oh, is it almost out? I didn't even know they were doing another series. Just looking for my rubber. Don't know what I did with it. Evil Chief gifting subs and then subbing himself. Wow. Thank you, brother. If you're new here, my man, I feel like you're not, because the name's familiar. Thank you, brother, but you didn't have to. You can just come and watch. My bank really make it so. I like your bank. I like your bank gun. You have a good bank, sir. Keep up the good work. Thank you. The native. Yeah, I had fun with the Red Bull team. They were cool. Oh god. Wish Tree, thank you for the sub, brother. He didn't have to. Man, I wish I could do this. Oh, I mean, nothing's stopping you, just you. All you have to do is, do it. Hey, Digital Wolf. Gee, brother. Can we get a shout out for Digital Wolf, please? Oh god, he... Thank you, Gunnip, once again. My bro, please don't. But thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. Why do I feel like it's not over? Celestican, thank you very much for the bits as well. You didn't have to. What time is it over there? It is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, brother. 1:58. Okay, I gotta... No, there's no need to call your bank. This guy gonna go and argue with his bank. Oh, bro. Time zones be wild, yeah. I need to get on earlier, mainly for our bro Otter. Oh. Oh, bloody hell, Gunnip. That's not how you talk to your bank. Thank you, bro. Thank you once again. Really don't have to, though. I should put a center line in there so we know what we're doing. Oh, Evil Chief again. Bro. That's enough, brother. That's enough. That's enough, guys. Thank yous, but just remember, you've gotta use your money on you guys too. RP, V-Bucks, WoW tokens, food. Can we buy your creations? Okay, rep. So unfortunately, someone's already taken interest in this, and my commission list is full. Sorry, brother. I want to start getting this wood ready for JT. What server do you play on Classic? Yo Jumbo. I was on Arugo, but it's just too full now. Thank you Wish Tree and Big F Lando. Much appreciated, guys. You didn't have to give bits, you can just comment for free. Oh, like without them. But thank you very much. Appreciate the thought of starting early there. Yeah, nah, that's what I do, bro, just for everyone there. Monkey Oster, thank you very much for the sub as well. You didn't have to though, brother. Just trying to figure out what to do in here. I don't know what to do. Oh, jeez, here we go. You guys in these bloody hair flicks, eh? Okay, where's my brush? Okay, brush it. Okay, chat. So this happened. My mum said, "Can I come and have a try?" Oh, jeez. Okay, that should be good enough. Give me a minute. What's that for? Okay, here we go, guys. Nah, she's not coming on. Oh, far out. I feel like more of a dick because my mum's watching. Okay, there it is. I think I'm pregnant after these flicks. Fuck's sake, Otter. Okay, there it is. How are you, Mufasa? Okay, there it is. Beanie back on for protection. Thank you very much for your redeem. Hope you enjoyed it. There it is. I didn't deserve that. Okay, carrying on. As a bald man, I would live through your way for care. Oh, true, brother. Now, what are we going to put in here? I don't know. Maybe a one-sided face. Hold on, guys. Oh, wait. Is it cold where you live? At the moment it's spring, brother, so the cold's on its way out. There was a damn treasure hidden in the mountains. The dwarves were looking for. Oh god, loving the imagination, Whanau. I actually have no idea what to put in here. can somebody break your heart? Hey, afternoon to you, Broxh. Hey, the Don Don. I thought you were my cousin's name. His name's Don as well on PlayStation. For a minute there I had to have a bit of a think. What's your favourite local legend? Local legend? Probably have to be Kuronaituku and Hatupatu? Or Hine Moa Te Tānekai? That's actually a hard one, I don't know. There's just so many. Gonna have to went silent. I bet you he's talking to his bank. Hey! Pale Ale, how are you, man? We gotta hydrate. And it's Aztec Live, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to. I just gotta fill up my water bottle. Okay, get that hydrated for the bro. Okay, donut, then we hydrate. Okay. Neat. There you go, Bella. Thank you for the hydrate. I missed the Cougar hydration. Yeah, I gotta get a new one. Black Thunder, thank you for the sub, brother. Didn't have to though. Much appreciated, my bro. Step in the tongue. Here we go. You remind me of Gibraltar. Hey, Gibraltar. Hey, cheers, Joshua. You have a good one, brother. And stay safe over there, eh? Fizzle Gig and Mike00. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Oh god, and then he gives 5 subs. Bloody hell. What do you do? Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that there, my bro. Much appreciated. Just remember, watching is free. Wanna be a mighty king, enemies beware. Oh, can hear some sirens going off. Either someone's running away or there's someone had an accident. Incoming raid. Black Thunder, thank you for the bits, man. You didn't have to. But much appreciated. Watching for a while. Thank you for your light you bringing in this world. Thanks, brother. We got a raid. Oh, did not raid us. Oh, he did too. Oh, geez, sorry, brother. I just missed it. Cheer, bro, for the raid. Much appreciated, man. Hope you had a good stream. Welcome everyone from the brothers stream. Hope you guys are well. Can we get a shout out for the bro too? So if you have any questions or you want to know what I'm up to, you're more than welcome to ask. But other than that, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And this is pretty much one of the big passions I have when it comes to my culture. So in days of old we had no written form of language nor text, so the way we had to pass down all our stories, our teachings, was through song and dance, face to face, and also through this particular art form here. Oh, Colby, eh? Mr. Hair Flicker got you. Okay. Bloody hell. Cheer the trooper. How are you, brother? Oh, I just done one too. Oh. In the wind, in the wind. Another hair flick. Your poor neck. Talking. There we go. Oh. Oh, jeez, my neck. The Raiders are in for a treat. Hey, Chur Whanau mate. How are you, brother? There we go. Oh, we got another one. Did I miss another one? I know he redeemed one. Did he redeem two? Just making sure I didn't miss it. Don't want to be that guy. A main fit for a king. A third one perhaps. Yeah, I'll just do some more just in case. Oh, jeez. You remind me of South Africa. Oh, thank you, brother. I'll accept that comment. I will accept that comment, brother. Didn't miss one, mate. Ah, it's all good. More, nah. Much love the trooper. Cheer, my brother. You should get sponsored by a chiropractor. Fleet AE, thank you for the sub, man. Much appreciated, brother. I feel like we should play some lab, eh? Brox's gonna get huge trips from all these hair flicks. Yeah, imagine. Just come into the stream one day, play Goldberg's theme song, and then Remy Boo. You wanna come with me? Oh, might be going to see some lions tomorrow. Bloody seagull. 17, yeah. You're next. Wonder if playing wrestling theme songs will get you DMCA'd, eh? Goldberg had such a banger, man. Thank you, John versus the Con. You're crazy, cuz. What's a taniwha? So a taniwha can be many different things, but most of all it's portrayed as a mythical creature in our culture. Some were good, some were bad, some were man-eaters. Yeah. So Smokey here, it's not safe. Oh, you in the fires in America there, brother. Hey, Chur Whanau, how are you, bro? Are you in the fires at the... Oh, I hope you're not... I hope anyone's not being affected by the fires right now. I only just seen it on the news. And yeah, it's not good, eh? Not really good. Is this one a man-eater? This isn't our taniwha, bro. This is just a depiction of what our Poupous look like. We didn't start carving human features until Christianity came in. That's why I don't do them, because I'm not Christian. But did you play Skyrim? Of course I played Skyrim. I was an orc. Orc all day, brother. Have you ever been to the States? No, I haven't even been off the North Island in New Zealand, brother. Not once. I know a family who just bought their first home. They just town. Oh, that's a terrible one. That's sad to hear. To Maturgo for the bits, bro. He didn't have to, eh? But much appreciated. Oh, come on as well. Yeah, true, bro. You didn't have to do that. Much appreciated, brother. I'm staying inside. That's good. Hey! Cheer more, bro. Here's one of the Isnix. Cheer, bro, Mix. Welcome, brother. Cheer. Just how are you, brother? What made you start streaming? Oh, it looked like fun. That's about it. I don't really have a big inspirational story. It just looked fun, looked funny to do. Watching my cousin have a good time with his chat. Entertaining. And yeah, thought I'd give it a go. Seemed like fun. Oh, Max 808, 2 months and counting. Yeah, much appreciated, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. But thank you. And also, Amish Rake Fighter? Oh, Amish Rake Fighter. Sorry, brother. Much appreciated for the sub, man. Didn't have to, though. Hey, my bro, you alright? Viewings today, eh? Let's clean this tongue up. Ooh. Sorry, Dante, I don't know what you're saying. Did he turn on the Skyrim check? Yeah, they've been playing for a while. It's a playlist. Since you can't get DMCA'd for playing game music. Dark Dark Spec Ops, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Thank you, brother. That's what I was doing, marking out these teeth. Yeah, saw one house today, the rental place told us due to COVID and also people on other states are coming through to find a new place. True, brother. Fuck, I hope you crack it, Thinking about you quite a lot these few days. That's not far from Broxh. What's there, brother? Yeah, bro, I went 6 months in New Zealand. Te Puke. True! Te Puke. Do you get a lot of splinters? Not one. Not one. "17, yeah, yeah, yeah. As long as I got music, my bro, I'm good." Okay, my bro. And your puns and your rubbish dad jokes. There we go. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Oh. Nah, that won't do. That won't do at all. For the Horde, brother. Zug zug. Double, brother. Are we going there with the jokes? Okay, I see you. Said to just... Yeah, see, he's got to reach out to people in Discord to find new material. It's running out of ideas for now. Yeah, usually the dry ones are the good ones, eh? Have you got a guild ready for Shadowlands? Nah, I don't, brother. I don't really want to be in charge of a guild, eh? That just seems like too much to do when you just want to enjoy the game. Oh, that's what my way of thinking about it anyway. Bro, Punzel, not even Broxh of Rivia. Come on, bro, I'll be a witcher, let's be honest. Bro, Punzel. Oh, damn it. Oh, Eteroha. E kaiki no nia. E mamairoa. E hai nei. Taku tīrana. Haere rā te ea. Bob Ross would be proud. Oh, I hope so. He's cool. I love watching his streams on the weekend. That's why I always host them. Usually if I'm hosting them, that's when I'm watching. Irunga i te ea. Kei te kimi no. Kei te hotu te manawa. Okay, what are you guys saying? Give us a joke, G. Just for kicks? No. Oh, is Thunder still here? Oh, he is too. Sissel, thank you for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. Just for kicks, first dad joke has to be when he says he's the leader of the John Buffoon? Cheers for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Can just watch for free, my man, along with Shady as well. And hello to PPPP. Mohora kwawe he tine. Go just for kicks, your nono. There we go, got our bevels ready. I don't even know if you can see what I'm up to, so I better push it forward. Sir Wally Boy, cheers for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. It's all good just to come watch. But thank you, brother. So we gotta bevel these, then we can cut our design. You, sir, in a class of your own, keep up the good work. Oh, thank you, R&R Real Talk. Cheers, brother. Hey, Broxh, do you know what that lake in Rotorua opposite Hell's Gate is? So you mean Te Rotorua Nui a Kahuma Te Momoe, the main one? Is that the one you're thinking of, then? Or Te Rotoriti ki te ai e Ihinga. It's another one by close to Hell's Gate. How much time did you spend sharpening your tools? Usually like an hour or maybe a bit longer. I usually go through like one by one. Make sure they're all good. Okay, bevel this, cut our lines in. Music brings back some memories. Yeah, man, I chose an orky. With dreadlocks. And a big ass beard. There we go. Cheer, brother Honor. I finished my project. Oh, nice, gems. Good to hear, brother. What is the circumstances of your hands? Intact. Ashy knuckles. And these jujubes over here. Hang on. 4 fingernails are cut except one. I forgot to do the last one. Slightly hairy. Yeah. What time is it for you? It's almost... Oh, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. If that's what you're wanting, Bill. Big Dog Russ, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. If you're new here, my man, welcome. Welcome to the whānau. So usually, yeah, you can just watch for free, brother. All good. Does your family get mad? Oh, I don't know, they haven't said anything, they might. They can, I'll ask them after the stream. You're my favourite streamer, you say keep up the good work. I'm only 12 and my dad oh damn. It reminds me that there's still happiness out there. Hey, true Maverick? True young fella? 12 brother. Damn. You're like the new lord? Hell no! Worst injury you've ever got while carving? I got a wood chip in my boot. That's as far as it's gone. Storm Fox, thank you very much for the sub as well. Much appreciated, brother. What class do you play in WoW? Enhanced Shaman, Warrior, Guardian, Druid. Been playing a bit of I play Monk too, but I don't think I'll be playing Monk that much in Shadowlands. I just have too much fun on the Warrior. Samad Sid, thank you for gifting a sub. You didn't have to, brother. See you later. This water's dry. Mega Orc, nah, but original. Mega Orcs are cool. I'm doing one just for heritage armor, but I don't know. I just feel like that hardiness ratio is better than what they have. I made a Death Knight too. Need some linseed oil. I think so. We'll see how we go for now. Do you cut your fingernails at the same time? No, I use a nail clipper. My man with the DK. Yeah, I've been trying, what is it? Blood spec. I think that's the tank spec though. I'm not that good at tanking, but the blood spec seems all good, eh? From how I've been playing it so far. Do stains like linseed oil not protect from water? Yep. But I mean, you gotta seal it with something as well if you want extra protection. If you're gonna leave your carvings outside. Usually carvings that go outside are usually painted, or they use heavy duty stains. Do you like tanking? Yeah, I'm slowly enjoying it. So my druids are, yeah, bear druid. I've been playing prot on the side too. I started my Magha Orc just to learn how to play prot. I know a lot of people play Paladin. Much love from Florida. Hey brother. GFG Violence, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new, you can watch for free. It's all good. And Cabbage Head as well. You should try red. No. There's enough red pally players out there. I've got a What is it? A prop paladin. There's too much people that play Retu. I'm happy enough just watching Panda play Ret. But unfortunately, there's not really much races that I like on the Alliance side. But luckily enough, Pandas can be Alliance as well. They're one of my favourites. Big love from London. Hey, cheers, brother. It isn't as fun as it was back in WoW and not. Oh, true. Yeah, I wouldn't have a clue, brother. Staying away from Ret. True Wolf Senpai. Nah, this isn't for anyone. Any Maori. This is just a piece I was doing for fun and now someone wants to buy it. Fuck yeah. Sorry, fun. I just got a message from one of my tutors, my old tutors. They aren't opening till morning to open my account. Oh, Gunnep, it's all good, bro. You don't have to. Tomorrow's stream could possibly be going to check out some lions. Maybe. What kind of wood is that? It's Cody, brother. So Cody is one of our most renowned timbers we have. And it's a soft to medium type of wood. Hey Gooch, hey brother. How are you, my bro? I'm good, bud. Good to hear from you, my bro. How you been? I'm all good. I better have myself 70. Oh, that's enough, please, brother. You're all good, Ganem. You're all good, brother. You can just come and watch. Bro, if you got a Zolian Tiger though, I'll take that. Some Broxh. That's an idea I've had for our Feels Bad Man emote that I'm going to ask the bro to do later. Zolian Tiger, Feels Bad Man. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm awesome. I'm alright. Yeah, but thank you, brother. Just remember, brother, if you hesitate, brother, I welcome it. Hold on, I've seen a comment from Gooch. Been good. Always great to see you on the stream. Cheer, brother Gooch. Hey, Toodly. Kia ora, bro. I hope you're keeping well. Cheer, my brother. Yeah, I'm keeping well, brother. I'm just, Rona, trying to stay away from everyone. Well, much appreciated, brother. You didn't have to resub, bro. Do you collect mounts on WoW? Well, I want to. My collection is quite sad. I think the latest mount I've got is... So these are the last mounts I've caught. So I got the 2 raptor mounts in Arathi Basin. So the albino one, that orange one, and the one of the mounts I got a few months ago is male muncher. It was funny is because the day I went for to do a vision when I got mail muncher, bro, I was not enjoying it at all. Eh? Hey dude, the carving is amazing. Hey, cheer, Lord Vapor. Thank you, brother. $180 attempts. Damn, brother.